Good morning everyone, I am here in Mulbarton today. Got quite a large job, a patio at the back. I'll take you around the back. You got a path that runs alongside the house and you got all of this. The process I'm going to be doing on this one, I'm going to go over a flat surface cleaner because I don't want to knock out the joints. As you can see. But yeah, they all come along here. So this area is about 100 square meters I have to do. The customer said to leave the top of the fish pond, so I wouldn't be doing any of this. Path, come all the way down here. As you can see, look, the joints is all loose. So flat surface cleaner.
If you find these videos very interesting and satisfying, why don't you hit that subscribe and hit the like button? They don't cost you nothing, but in return it really helps out my channel to push the content to further people like yourselves. Thank you.
So yeah, that is the job. It's a 2-day job. I'm gonna see how I get on with the back here. Hopefully I might start this drive today, but if not, I'll do it back today, drive tomorrow, and then we sand tomorrow after I've cleaned that. So I'll set you up on the tripod and let's crack on.
Some of you might be thinking, I've already seen a video regarding this driveway at the front. You are correct. So I've split this video into 2 bits. I've done the first part, the driveway clean. That is my last video on my channel. This will be the next one. So if you haven't watched my driveway clean and you'd like to watch it after this video, I'll put a card up now and I'll put a card up at the end of the end screen. So all you got to do is just click the file at the end screen and that'll take you to the driveway clean. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Thank you.
what a difference. I'll take you around the back so you can see the patio, what I've done. Look at them. You will see some black spots. I did 2 sort of treatments and a biocide, so over time they will lighten up, but I cleaned these at the tops around here. Customer didn't want that one done. You can see the difference from that to that. The customer didn't want that one doing. Cleaned that. And all the way up here. It does need rejointing. Look at them rejoints in there. Gave the bench a clean. So yeah, if you find this content useful, why don't you hit that subscribe down here somewhere, and maybe drop a like, and maybe drop a comment where you're watching from. I am from Norfolk, so if you want any driveway cleans to be done, I'm your man, PJB.